As I'm sure most of you, like myself, were very interested in how DJI claimed to get 21 minutes flight time from the Mavic Air, when on average I get about 16 minutes. I thought I would do a max flight time test. So in the bottom right corner you can see my drone happily floating along there during the test. On the main screen we have the screen image from the app, and inside of that I have superimposed the actual image from the DJI camera itself. In the top right corner you'll notice that I did start at 97%. I wasn't fully charged, but that should only make up maybe a minute of flight time. In the top left corner, as it starts to speed up, as I make the time go faster, is the timer, which is the record timer from when I started recording the drone. So it is a little bit of a gusty day, there's a storm front coming in, but that shouldn't make too much difference to this test. Okay, we're getting down to 25% battery left, and I start getting warning flashes in red and warning beep at 15%. Mavic starts initiating the auto landing around about here. When we get down to 10%, I'm constantly having to turn off the auto landing. Pushing up to 18 minutes now, and we hit 1%. And as you can see, I'm at 0% now. I am constantly having to stop the forced landing, but any second now that's going to cut out on me. Okay, at this point the Mavic Air actually stops recording, and you can see the forced landing signs coming up, and that was the last chance I got, no more landing. So we've got a total time of over 19 minutes. I'm sure I could have got to the 21 if I had started with that 100% at the start, not the 97. So thanks for watching, see you next time.